Welcome back to All Finance. We're doing it a little different today. Today I decided to make a guest appearance into the news because it is a short one. There are a lot of things constantly going around in the crypto world. Today, not so much. There's a little bit at the time that I was trying to accumulate the news for you, but I got some great articles and some information that you need to know of. So let's jump right into the story. Stablecoin giant Tether reports a record profit. Record profit for Tether. $13 billion with a B, okay? Tether, the world's largest stablecoin issuer, reported over $13 billion in profit for 2024 on Friday, marking a groundbreaking milestone for the crypto firm. In just a year, Tether has apparently managed to more than double its then astonishing 2023 profit of $6.2 billion. For context, the upstart crypto company's profitability is now within striking distance of some of Wall Street's most prestigious firms. Earlier this month, Goldman Sachs reported a 2024 profit of $14.28 billion, within 10% of the earnings posted by Tether this morning. There's a tweet right there. You can check that out. They have a report on it if you want to do all that. As always, these full articles will be in the description below. Grayscale debuts new Dogecoin trust and files to convert it into an ETF. We are on the spark. We are on the cusp of a massive influx of ETF and institutional money. Would you ever think that a Dogecoin, meme coin, joke coin would be engraved into the US of A's financial system as an ETF? Did you ever think of that would ever happen across your mind? You might have thought, oh, Dogecoin will go up. Dogecoin will go up. But did you really think that anybody would take Dogecoin as a serious digital asset and engrave it in the Wall Street financial markets as an ETF? If you said yes, you're lying. You're lying. Asset manager Grayscale launched a Dogecoin trust early Friday morning, offering institutional and accredited investors the opportunity to allocate to crypto's original meme coin. Known for its spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, which also began as private placements, Grayscale believes the $49.7 billion meme coin is no longer a laughing matter. The firm believes that Dogecoin has morphed over the years from a simple meme coin to a, quote, tool for global financial inclusion, grassroots activism, and a viable means of payment, end quote. A viable means of payment. I can actually agree. I can actually agree with that. Unbelievable. We're here. We're at this point, you know. We are at this point here. This is where we're at, you know. This is where we're at. SEC fast tracks Bitwise's Bitcoin Ethereum ETF, signaling broader crypto acceptance. The Bitwise fund's asset allocation reflects market capitalization proportions comprising 83% of Bitcoin, 17% Ethereum. On Thursday, the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission expedited approval for the Bitwise Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF, allowing it to be listed and traded on the New York Stock Exchange, ARCA. Bitwise's hybrid ETF will offer investors direct exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum in a single fund, with Coinbase's custody business to oversee the fund's holdings. Quote, I really want to interpret this as a sign the new SEC will be faster, but no way to know really. Bloomberg senior ETF analyst Eric Balchunas, wrote on X following Bitwise dual ETF's approval. The SEC's approval reflects its recent trend of clearing crypto investment products, including NASDAQ and CBOE's BZX's listing of Hashdex and Franklin Templeton ETFs in December, signaling a broader acceptance of digital assets under the Trump administration's more industry-friendly stance. Whew. Man, oh man, it's coming, and it's coming quick. This one was kind of a surprise to me here. Kraken the cryptocurrency exchange Kraken to delist Tether. I always wanted to see what this does. Hold on.
Kraken DELISTS Tether USDT.
Whoa. Okay, interesting. Kraken to delist Tether USDT and 4 other stablecoins in Europe. Kraken will delist Tether's USDT and 4 other stablecoins in Europe to comply with MiCA regulations, following a phased approach to minimize market disruptions. Man, that's a shame. Cryptocurrency exchange Kraken is moving to comply with European crypto regulations by preparing to delist 5 stablecoins, including Tether's USDT. Kraken will fully delist USDT on March 31st to comply with the European Union's markets and crypto assets regulation, according to an official announcement by the exchange. Alongside USDT, the exchange will gradually remove support for PayPal USD, Tether EURT, True USD, and Terra Classic USD in the European market. So Europe, if you use Kraken in Europe, say goodbye to Tether and PayPal USD. Quote, these changes ultimately ensure Kraken remains compliant and is able to provide its exceptional trading experience to European clients for the long term, the company said. So, and then it goes into a gradual delisting process you can check out, as always, in the description. Links to these full articles, you can find them there in the description. This has been getting a little bit of controversy here. XRP Ledger Clawback goes live in boost for Ripple USD trading. Clawback refers to tokens that have a feature. Now pay attention. Listen closely. Clawback refers to tokens that have a feature allowing the issuer, in this case Ripple, to reclaim coins from user wallets under certain conditions. Meaning they can take back the coins that you own. This is super dangerous. But this is a banking token. This is a centralized banking token. We've all knew this. This shouldn't be a surprise. A clawback amendment was activated on the XRP ledger after receiving over 90% approval from validators. This amendment enables tokens such as Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin, which features clawback capabilities, to be traded directly on the XRP Ledger's decentralized exchange, the DEX. The amendment improves the regulatory compliance of the XRP Ledger's automated market maker by allowing tokens with clawback capabilities to be integrated into AMM pools. I don't know how I feel about it, but this is what happens with Ripple. You know, this is a dangerous slope here. Let's see next. Tether reports $13 billion profit in 2024, which I think we've already looked at that. Well, we looked at the profits, but there it is right there. 13 billion. You can see he's smiling, right? Who wouldn't be smiling at Tether after you made a 13 billion with a B as in boy, in 2024? And it says with rising Bitcoin, gold prices contributing. It says the group also increased its Bitcoin holdings last quarter for the first time since March, holding nearly 84,000 BTC worth of 7.8 billion as of last year. So at the year end, 2024 end. Can you just mute me for a second over there? Can you mute you? Thank you. Tether said it booked 13 billion in net profits last year across its group of companies. Some 7 billion of the profits derived from the firm's U.S. Treasuries and repo holdings. 5 billion from the unrealized appreciation of the company's gold and Bitcoin holdings. I mean, it's huge. And there's a reason why they want to get rid of Tether. Tether is a non-US company, right? Its competitor is USDC, and we all know who's invested in USDC. You have Goldman Sachs, who formed Circle and Coinbase. They came together. They had a baby called USDC, which is obviously heavily regulated and all that stuff. So it's probably why you're seeing the crackdown on that there. So there's also that news. So Tether's crushing it. Either way, Tether's going to crush it because they want to they want to be in the whole world, right? They're not just trying to focus on one set country, right? I mean, you know, if you go to Dubai, you have no taxes on crypto. I mean, it wouldn't be a bad idea to move to Dubai, right? Who knows? The crypto market's largely in red, mostly down. You got Trump coin down again, 18%. There was actually an article that came across that said that Trump has dumped more than $900 million have flown out of Trump coin, which is pretty interesting. You also have virtual, which is down 17.3%. Bonk, everything's down. I mean, I'm not going to go through it. Everything's friggin' down. So, you know, you have that. But the markets are going to go down. They're going to correct. They get the whole DeepSeek thing with the Chinese AI and all that good stuff. So you're going to see that market. And we need to at least hold at least 101,000 at least, hopefully. So there's that there. So anyways, guys, appreciate you guys checking out the news. That's what we got for today. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. Take care. Brush your hair.